Hello, class. I hope you're being safe during this Corona time. All right, let's get started. Today, our LO is the months and the seasons. All right, so let's get started here. All right, the first month of the year is January. January is in the winter time in most places. Okay, so January is actually the second month of the winter. All right, the second month of the year is February. February is still winter time. It's actually the last month of winter. All right, the third month of the year and the first month of springtime is March. All right, this is when the flowers start to blossom. All right, this is when all the bees come out and spread the flowers around. All right, the fourth month of the year is April. And this is also still spring, okay? This is when the rains come down and water the grounds to give our vegetables and our plants water so they can grow. The fifth month of the year, and still spring, actually the last month of spring, is May. May is when things start to warm up, okay? It's also a lot of animals start to have their babies around this time. All right, the sixth month of the year is June. June is the beginning of summer. Okay, June is when people start to go on vacation, go to the beach, go to anywhere to enjoy the sun and the warm weather. All right, the seventh month of the year is July. July is starting to get really hot. This is also right in the middle of summer. Okay, this is when you're on vacation. We don't have school during this month. We love this month. It's also when my birthday is. Okay, so the eighth month of the year is August. August sometimes is the hottest month of the year. This is the last month of summer. You can see this guy out here. He's making hot dogs and burgers. Still enjoying the warm weather outside while before it goes, because the next we're about to start the autumn season now. It's the end of summer. All right, so the ninth month of the year is September. This is the month when you start school. This is when things are still hot here in Egypt, but in a lot of places the weather is getting cooler. And back where I come from, the leaves in the trees look just like this. They start to fall, they start to change color, and start to die to get ready for the next spring so they can grow again. All right. The 10th month of the year is October. All the leaves are still falling. Almost half of them, or most of them, are almost on the ground now by this time. And the weather has definitely gotten cooler. It's cooler outside. And everyone knows, does anyone remember what is on the 31st of October? The last day of October. What day is that? That's Halloween. No, hey. So it's my cat. Hold on one second. He's biting the cords. Yeah. That guy. All right. Down here. So, all right. So Halloween is on the 31st of October, right? Okay. 2 more months left. All right. The 11th month of the year. My computer stops freezing up. The 11th month of the year is November. November, now it's started to get really cold. Okay. It's starting to get really cold. This is the last month of autumn. Okay, this is the last month of autumn. This is when all the leaves have fallen off the trees already. And now we're getting ready for winter. All right. And the 12th month of the year is December. December is the beginning of winter. Like I said, in January was the second month. of winter. December is actually the beginning of winter. This is when we have Christmas. Okay, this is also, we have a big vacation during our school year. Nope, nope. Oh, I got a crazy cat. Okay, so, all right. So we remember the 12 months here. Let's see. Another fun fact for you. How many days are there in a year? Who remembers that? You probably learned that in year 1. 365 days in a year. Unless it's a leap year. A leap year, there's 366 days. That's when we have one extra day. Who can remember when that one extra day is? What month is that one extra day in? It's in February. In February, usually we have 28 days, but every 4 years, we add a day to February. So it becomes 29 days, and that's called a leap year. So one day to the month, it's also one more day to the year, 366 days. All right. How many weeks are there in a year? There's actually 52 weeks. Okay. And how many months are there? Do we remember how many months there are in a year? You better remember. 12 months. Okay. How many seasons are there in a year? How many seasons? There are 4. All right. Let's name them. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Let's go back to the beginning one. Let's go back to spring. Spring is when the flowers start to bloom, okay, and when things start to grow again. Summer is when things get really hot, okay? It's when the weather gets hot and warm, and plants are still growing, but they're right in the middle of their lives. And autumn is when the plants start dying and the weather starts to get cold. Okay, that's when the trees start dying and the plants, start, going away. And winter is when all the leaves fall off the trees and we are in a very cold weather. So we're getting ready for the next spring. All right, so these are the 4 seasons. How many months are there in each season? How can we figure this out? There are 12 months divided by 4 seasons. Let's take a look at what that looks like, okay? Here's your 12 months, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We're going to divide these by 4 seasons. Let's see how many will be in each season. 3 months in each season, okay? January, February, and March are, okay, so all right, let's see here. This is going to be your work. All right, I want you to open up these 2 files, months word search and the months match worksheet, okay? Very simple stuff. If you know your months, it's going to be very easy. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay inside and stay safe, guys. Bye.